Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm making a delicious beef stew and my ingredients are diced beef steak, broccoli, potatoes, cherry tomatoes, carrots and onions. Let's get started. So the first step I'm going to do is add the onion into the pot. I have my pot on a medium heat and then add a little bit of boiling water. And we're just going to leave the onion just for about 5 minutes before we add in the beef steak. Now my third step is I'm going to add in the beef, stir around, and I'm also going to add in boiling water. So you just kind of put it enough for it to cover over the beef. And then we're going to leave that to boil for 30 minutes and then we'll check and see how it's doing. Now after the beef has been boiling for 30 minutes, my next step is to add in the cherry tomatoes. Also the carrots and the potatoes. Give that a mix around. I'm going to just add in a little bit more boiling water. And then I'm going to put the lid back on and I'm going to leave that to boil for another 20 minutes. So now it's been cooking for another 30 minutes. So the vegetables are starting to soften and so is the beef. So my next step to do is to add in the broccoli. Give that a stir around. And then I'm going to leave this for it to cook for another 20 minutes. So now I'm checking again after 20 minutes of cooking. You can tell by looking at that everything is really soft. Potatoes and the beef, all really nice and soft. So it is now cooked. So I've also prepared some whole grain brown rice. So now all I have to do is serve. And there we have delicious and nutritious beef stew. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Thank you for watching.